Hello kids! In previous class, we have learned phonic sound of letter A to N. Today we will learn phonic sound of O and P. So let's start today's class with letter O. This is letter O. This is letter O. O is for orange. O is for orange. O, orange. O is for octopus. O, octopus. O is for ox. Ox. And O is for ostrich. Ostrich. Yes, sound of letter O is O. Now you repeat it. O. Now children, get ready for short story of sound of letter O. So let's start. Olive and Oscar have a new bedroom. The light switch is near the bed, so they can turn the light on and off by themselves. Olive leans over to the light switch and she turns it on and off. And she sound it's like The sound of O is Yes, the sound of O is Now next letter is P. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. P is for peacock. Peacock. P is for pencil. Pencil. P is for potato. Potato. Yes, sound of letter P is f. Now here is a story of letter P sound. Preeti's mother makes a birthday cake with purple icing. She has put candle on it. Preeti blew out the candle, but it lightened up as Preeti puffed out the candle like Yes, the sound of P is f. So kids, this way you can practice sound of letter O and P at your home. Okay kids, bye bye.